Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Okay, today we are looking at this question. It says that answer the following questions about behavior of charges. So state what happens under each of the following situations. And is it attraction or repulsion? Okay. Then we start positive, near positive, positive, near negative. So like that. So to answer all these questions, we need one aspect of the information. It's part of the law of electrostatics. It says that like charges repel and unlike charges attract. Okay. So what do you mean by like? Like means positive and positive, negative and negative. They repel. And what do you mean by unlike? Unlike implies positive and negative. So let us look at here positive and positive. Those are like charges. And what happens? They repel. So the answer is repulsion. Then positive and negative. Those are unlike. So what happens? They attract. Then we come here, negative and negative. What are those ones? They are like charges. And what happens between like charges? They repel. So this is attraction. This is repulsion. Okay. Next is positive near uncharged insulator. What happens when a positive charge comes near uncharged insulator, an insulator which is neutral, which is not having any charge? What happens? What happens is attraction. This will be discussed further, but I can loop you in. It is due to what we call polarization. It's an aspect we will discover with you. Okay, now it's negative near uncharged insulator. What is going to happen? The answer is attraction. And the explanation, polarization. So, in conclusion of these two, we have to understand that if any charged body is near an insulator, what happens is attraction. And the cause is polarization, which occur in uncharged insulator. Yeah. Then comes another question here. It says that consider the behavior of spheres below and identify the sign of the charge on the unknown. Okay, so this is what we are seeing. We are having this charge, which is positive, and we are having A as our unknown. Okay. So what is the sign of the charge on A, which is our unknown? Okay, when you observe these two, what happens? They are drawing towards each other. We call that one attraction. So if they are attracting, then what does that mean? It means that they are unlike charges. Unlike means that if this is positive, our unknown is negative. Or neutral, uncharged. So here we have two alternative. It's either opposite to that or it is uncharged. So then comes another scenario here. Yes, if you analyze the behavior of these two, what do we note? We note that they have come closer. Remember, if it was not close, they would be hanging around here. These are hanged on strings. So they are coming closer, which we call attraction. And if our known is negative, the implication is that our unknown is positive or uncharged. So that is that. Yeah. So comes this behavior. What do we say? We are having this one. Our known is negative, and it's being taken aside. It's pushed aside. That is what we call repulsion. So if repulsion is taking place, what is going to be our unknown C? So we need to know that repulsion occurs between like charges. So what does like charge mean? If this is negative, this one is also negative. So our answer is negative. Yeah. So comes this question. Yes. Yeah, we are saying our known and our unknown being pushed apart. And that's what we call repulsion. Okay. So the question is, which charges repel? The answer is like charges. Like charges repel. What does that mean? That if this is positive, our unknown is also positive. So if I hope you have noticed that repulsion is the only sure test for the charge. If it's attraction, there are two possibilities. But for repulsion, it's clear. It's only one alternative. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. We are simply the best. See you then. Bye bye.